Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video of your Unit 1 test answers that, the deadline's passed on that. So some had asked about that. And, if we were in class together, I'd go through it all together and you would just check your answers. So we're kind of doing that virtually. Just know that this, my math classes, usually it's pretty well right or wrong depending on the number. There is some flexibility in when I grade as far as with music, because as long as I get that you understand what's going on, some of the words may be different. So just keep that in mind. But there was a few that you had to get. I mean, it was like multiple choice. You had to pick the right one, and so I'll go through that real quick. And then your Unit 2 test was those questions about, your choice of concert and the song. So that really was just essay. I will tell you, just so you know, the Unit 2, be really careful to read the directions of those questions, because I did deduct a few points for not following the directions. So just as an example, I'll go ahead and bring that up. I know I'm starting backwards here, but I want to show you that the Unit 2 test, as long as you answer the questions incorrectly, is what I was looking for. I didn't, mark off. Don't think I didn't mark off for any of your answers. Meaning, if you picked a concert that was different, or that I would choose, that's not what I marked off for. But see, I made sure you had to answer in complete sentences. Okay, so if you just wrote one word answers or just listed things, I did deduct some points for that. So, that's why I want you to think it out, write it out. I'm not really checking for grammar necessarily, that you typed it perfectly, but I do want them written in essay form as far as write in sentences. Then some of you guys, just a few, did not answer all the questions, meaning you answered like what kind of concert you would give, and then maybe you only chose one song. Uh, so I needed both songs to get that, points. So I did deduct a few points, and some of you even put the songs but didn't put why. So I needed to know why. So there was a few points taken off for that. So just make sure you're reading this completely and following the instructions. I didn't take off a lot of points, but if you do see a little bit lower than 100, that was what was going on there. Okay, so I didn't count off for like the choices you chose. I want you to put what you feel and what you have researched, so keep that in mind. So this one, though, let's go through this. Three notes played at the same time, that's a chord. The difference between a melody and harmony. So just something along the lines, the melody is the song, the harmony fills it out. You need the melody to kind of form the harmony around. So that was along those lines. A blank is a group of people singing together. That's a choir. Okay, acapella. Some people put acapella. Acapella is singing without any instruments. Okay, but you can sing acapella by yourself. It doesn't have to be a group. A group of people singing is a choir. Is flat above or below? It's below. Okay, that's why you're flat. What does it mean to transpose a song? It means you change the key, and we went more into detail on that here recently, but that means to change the key of a song, go higher or lower. Which timing is described as a waltz? That was the 3/4 time. Okay, that was in the videos and clearly laid out. So that's what I was. A couple people missed that one. It's 3/4 time. That was the waltz. Boom, boom. So that's the waltz. Which beat, the upbeat or downbeat, is between the 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and falls on the ands? That's the upbeat. The downbeat was on the study guide. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. The upbeat is on the ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's on those ands. Okay. And name one of your favorite live performances. That's, like I said, that was up to you, what you wanted to put. And so, that's what I was looking for there. So just give you an idea, that's what that was. There's going to be plenty more opportunity to do quizzes. I will say, just to encourage you guys, a few are turning in a lot of things late. I do deduct points, like I said at the beginning of the term, for that. So you want to make sure if your grade's starting to slip a little bit, that you're turning those things in on time. Especially now the test, we have to follow the school deadlines, and so I have been sending out alerts and writing each one of you that's not turned it in yet to make sure you're meeting those, because you don't want to necessarily, you can recover if you missed one test, but it's going to be a lot more, it's going to be harder. So just make sure you're keeping up with those, okay? I will post the material for today, but I just wanted to go ahead and post a quick video for you to check your answers from the prior test, okay? Thanks, guys.